We can work as technicians alone a lot of the time, and we are reviewing our own information through lectures, through people we've known, through our own experience. But it's nothing compared to being sitting side by side with somebody who has maybe 30, 40 years more experience than you do, to look at what you're doing, listen to what you're doing, and give you immediate feedback. You can't teach this work if you're not doing it. You have to have your chops up in order to be able to really help people. In many ways, John Kavanagh and Robert Murphy stand out in my mind as being some of the best people in the world doing what they do. And John has really focused on spreading the word about working with these instruments through the offices of Oberlin College.
Concert work is really a specialty, in my opinion. And, just because a person is a good tuner, it doesn't mean that they're going to succeed on the concert stage. A concert artist is totally exposed on the concert stage. There's no place to hide. And if the piano isn't cooperating, it's going to be really tough for them to pull off a great performance. The relationship between the technician and the artist is one of the main focal points of the Oberlin program. In their daily work at Oberlin, they are working with artists, and it requires also that the technician be conversant with the piano repertoire. You can be much more effective if you understand what a certain piece demands of the artist, and you make sure that the piano is up to those demands.
It's a lovely place to come to. It, I think, nourishes the students. They're dedicated and committed and enthusiastic and excited and smart.
And I felt like they were so receptive and so excited about learning more.
I think John has spent, a million hours thinking about this to make it as good as it can be. He's very, very strong in his belief in what he's doing, and I think that's reflected in the quality of the programming.